Hello students, I welcome the students of class 11 to my class. Hope you all are safe and staying at home. Please stay at home, be safe, remain healthy and fit. Now, because you all know, because of this COVID-19 pandemic, we are compelled to start these online classes for you, because we don't know when the classes will again commence, from which month or which time. That is why. Now, since this is my first video for you all, so before starting any chapter, I would first like to discuss with you about the books, the chapters and the question pattern that you are having in class 11. Alright? And there are some new things, new topic in writing section that you are going to learn in class 11. There is some change in the question pattern that also you need to know before we start any chapter. Alright? First of all, I would like to tell you that you are having two books in class 11. The first book is known as Hornbill and the second book is known as the Snapshot. Now, Hornbill is a book with stories, prose as well as poetry. Okay, from Hornbill. You will get prose in Hornbill as well as poetry. Whereas in Snapshot, you will only get prose, stories only. Poetry is not there. Now, there are different types of stories in both the books. Biographical stories are there and the philosophical stories are there, on which you need to ponder upon. Science fiction is there, some fictitious science fiction like stories are there. Okay. Now, regarding the question pattern, when you were in class 10, your question paper used to be of 80 marks. 20 marks there was given based on your classwork, homework, performance, and other things. Now here your question paper will be of 80 marks and 20 marks is allotted for ASL, means assessment of speaking and listening. Alright? Now, how this 80 marks, how it has been divided? This you will see in the video on the screen. I have uploaded I have uploaded the pattern also, the question pattern in printed form. You can see it on the screen as well. Go through it so that you can understand it in a better way. Out of this 80 marks, the first section, as you all know, is section A, that is unseen reading section, comprehension, unseen comprehension you will get. You can get stories, you can in comprehension, you can get poetry as well. One question will be of 12 marks and the other question will be of 8 marks. So that makes 20. Second is section B. Section B consists of writing section and grammar. And section C consists of literature. Writing section is of 30 marks, literature is also of 30 marks. So that makes it 60. So 60 plus 20 is 80. Now, while talking about writing section, I want to tell you that here in class 11, you will get to learn some new things, new topics in writing section. One such topic is advertisement. Okay? Classified advertisement, that is a new thing. There are different types of classified advertisement that you will learn. And another new topic that you will learn is poster making. Now both these topics, the questions that you will get from these two topics will carry 4 marks. Okay? Advertisement writing also carries 4 marks and poster writing also carries 4 marks. So in writing section, the first question will carry 4 marks. Which topic will it include? Another new topic is formal invitation. Okay, that is also a new thing that you will learn in class 11. That also carries 4 marks. And obviously you will get option choice in writing section. You will get 3 questions from writing section and you will obviously get choice from it. Now so what are the topics that comes under this 4 marks question? First topic is notice writing. Now notice writing is something that you people are doing right from very junior classes, 5 or 6. Then comes this advertisement writing, poster writing and formal invitation. Choice will be given between notice and advertisement, or advertisement and poster, or poster and notice, or formal invitation and advertisement, or poster and formal invitation, like this. Choice you will get. Okay? Now second question and third question from writing section, both will be based from letter writing. Okay? 2 letters you need to write here in class 11. You need to write 2 types of 2 letters, and the topics of letters are same as you did in class 10. Letter to editor, letter of inquiry, letter of complaint, letter placing an order. These are the topics that you have already completed in class 10. One new topic or one new type of letter that you will learn in class 11 is letter for job application. Okay, that is a new topic. It will be taught to you in our these videos or in online classes. So that is a new topic that you will learn, letter for job application, where you have to apply as a candidate for a job along with your resume or biodata, whatever you call it. Okay, and 4 questions will be given. Choice will be there. 2 questions, choice between 2 questions, and each topic, each letter will carry 6 marks. Okay, letter writing, it carries 6 marks. And one 8 marks question you will get, that will be based on article or speech or debate or report. What 8 marks question you will get, that will be based on that. Alright, so 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 8 is 24. So out of 30, 24 is this writing section, and 6 marks is remaining. What we will get in writing section and grammar, these 6 marks question you will get from grammar. 2 questions you will get of 3 marks, choice will be there, and from grammar you are going to get only 6 marks question, very less number. And grammar is same as you have done in the previous class. like rearrange is there, omission is there, editing is there, then this reported speech is there. Okay, so it's the same, nothing new in grammar section. So that makes it 30. Alright. Now next comes literature section, section C. Literature section. In literature section, the first question that you will get will be based on an extract of a poetry from Hornbill. Okay, where you will 3 questions will be asked, you need to answer only 2. 3 questions will be asked, you need to answer only 2. So that is 2 marks, very short answer type question from extract. Then 6 questions will be given to you, short answer type question, which you need to answer within 30 to 40 words. There you will get 6 questions, out of which you need to answer 5. And then after that, so 2 into 5, that makes 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 18 marks remains. So what will you get in this 18 marks? You will get 3 long answer type question. 2 long answer type question will be asked from Hornbill and 1 will be asked from Snapshot. Alright, 1 question will be based from overall understanding of these questions will be based from overall understanding of the text, extrapolation and character, based on character sketch, like this. So that is 18. So 18 plus 12 is 30. So that is your question pattern. Alright. So this is the question pattern of class 11. Now whatever I have told you, a circular has come that since because of this COVID-19 we are unable to conduct classes and no one is sure when the classes will commence. That is why there might be a reduction in your syllabus. 30% reduction will be done as announced by CBSE till now. So if that 30% reduction is done, then certain chapters may be eliminated. You may not be, there may not be any need for you to study them. So that is we can only wait for the decision to come. But till now, before that decision comes, till now this is the marks division and this is your question pattern. So this is the first video. That is why I have discussed with you with the question pattern. In the second video, I will start with the chapters from the books. Okay, thank you.